guys, we're gonna do the kitchen. Yes, I just resettled my house. Also, this bathroom came to credit is Hoka_Joy02. Thank you for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, kind of this. And then this other House of Dia is the same YouTuber, Hoka_Joy02. So let's go. First we're gonna do also same wallpaper actually. Also this carpet isn't gonna go with this. I just placed it there because I think carpets are amazing, but no carpets for the day, baby. That's so pretty, oh my god! First time adding this here. Oh, that looks weird. What the? Ah! Not everything is perfect. Okay, this is actually amazing sauce. Mamma mia! She uses this. I really love the carpet. I was planning to put it there, but it doesn't look aesthetic that way. Ano pa? Okay. Pagkain daw po ng aso sa Tita Hel. Pagkain po nyo, di ba? Ala, anong pagkakapitan? Ito na malang-malang. I'm also gonna bring this, even though it doesn't come with the thing. Thank you po.
Darling, bigyan mo pa nga akong mangga. Hindi, may sausawan ako eh.
Didn't come this with this aesthetic vibe, but who cares? Oh, nice, loving. So adorable.
Hindi, walang may balat.
Meron.
Hindi, buo.
Wala na.
Huwag na, ano ka ba?
Not everything is perfect. Copy it if you want, guys. Just give a credit to Hoka. Hoka_Joy02 and me, of course. Y'all know my name. I'm not gonna say it like You know my name. It's just below. Okay? Okay. 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 I'll just add this bowl of chili.
Tapos ka na, Ellen. Ha?
Oh, this is actually kind of looking aesthetic. Go in there. That's your home.
Ito nyo mo dyan, hindi pa na ano kung saan mo sinasabi. Bebenta kasi eh. Bakit hindi naman tabot-tabot yung level? Ano kung may challenge yun?
Very good. Looks so pretty. Goodness, bro. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna fix my Hey, this is looking so beautiful.
Bakit?
Kasi mga leader na lang tawag ng leader. Mga leader
Not everything is perfect. Now this one I up to myself because there's living room or bedroom. I'm gonna throw that away so I don't get copycatted. Even though, oh my god. Wait, I wanna see this at nighttime, guys. Let's put this on and put it. That's sick! Oh no, that's sick. That's sick, bro. That's sick. I'm not even kidding. That looks sick. I'm gonna keep that on. Now here. If you also know, the color is different because I turned off my eye protection in the first time. Literally, this is my first time turning off it. I'm comfortable because I might lose my eye stream. So yeah, enjoy your time. Oh, I'm so still gonna add my plant store. Putting another TV because why not? Not everything is perfect. Na 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 na. Bones! Pag ayaw mo na mag-tablet ka, ano mo na yun? Ipatay mo na. You can copy it if you want, guys. Just leave a credit, okay, guys? I'll not accept you if you don't credit on my stuff. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Whatever. Everything is perfect. Not everything is perfect. Not everything is perfect. La 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 so adorable. If you're wondering how I get those baskets, well, actually I got it from the... This is English, not Filipino. I'm Filipino. This thing. So first I added cheese. Then a second one. And then I put these here. Of course, I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna say these. Everything is perfect.
May mangga ako doon.
Ano yung nakakainin ka mo? Bakit? Wala ako.
Hindi ako kakain mangga. May mangga ako doon. May mangga pa ako isa sa terminal. Hindi pa yata nila pinisa.
Sarap pero match. May kuha kayo ulit ng match. Ha? Kuha ko ulit kayo yun. Kuha ulit ka po kayo.
Nagkukanin.
Ba't di ko alam? Ay!
Nagkukanin tayo, Ray.
Ano ba itong kuhaan? Ah! Ah! Ito naman. Yo, getting that. Oh. Hi. Hi. Everything is perfect. may puting pod starting to be aesthetic. Tension, calma, paciencia, calma, paciencia. Akin. Ako.
May daga.
Ha?
Ha?
Nasa loob.
Oh, pinapatok sila ng daga sa loob. Ang bubet?
Ayun ka ba?
Ano ma? Ha?
It's so weird to load.
Yeah.
Not everything is perfect. Tawag niyo po si Tito.
Okay, okay.
Paciencia. Uling kalas na naman pa. Choo! Ah! Ang good. Yes! Manok! Sarap! Yeah! Yeah! Okay na po. Calma. Paciencia.
Pero okay. Okay ba yung nakalagay sa may tapat ng bintana mo, yung nakatornilyo, sabi ni nanay mo? Oo. Doon ko ipinasol eh. Yung kabila, hindi. Naka-bitin lang yung kabila yun. Pero matibay yun.
Dapat ka mapunin ko. Ayaw ko papunin.
Not everything is better.
Dapat marag-marag ka ng halo na.
Hi guys, this is. Oh wait. It looks kinda empty. Think about it, so just I think push this. Me adding more stuff, even though there's a lot. Even though in mine there's a lot of stuff already. Paciencia. Hanap na ng chance here. Everything is perfect.
Ready? Wala bang ganyan? Wala. Hindi ka, kita muna. Parating na.
Everything is perfect. So guys, this is the final result. If you really like it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to copy it, make sure to spread it. Bye guys, hope you have a lovely day.